Hey there, it's Suzanne today, and I wanted to share something with you that has made me the happiest camper that I've been in a long time because I've been struggling for a long time. And I'll get to that in a minute, but I wanted to show you this is my standard still photography setup. I mean, I've got lots of light, I've got a good camera. I still need help a lot of the time. Anyways, I just wanted to show that to you. It takes up a lot of space. You know, I'm in my spare bedroom here. Thank goodness the children moved out. And I had this table set up. I do have a tent for taking still photos, but I don't use it all the time. One of the things that has eluded me has been the ability to take good video tutorials, and I have struggled and struggled. And I have tried using my husband's backpacking tripod. And a couple of years ago, I've been struggling with this for a long time. And a couple of years ago, I bought this tripod, which is a wonderful tripod. I really love it, but it's got a little problem. It's huge. It takes up way too much space. I do like lettering on my drafting table, and I can't do it with this. Well, I had it set up once, but the boom isn't quite long enough to get out over my drafting table. Oh, it's just so awkward to set up. Anyway, it's a beautiful tripod, and I'm not going to get rid of it or anything. And the other tripod I have is an ancient one, and I just leave it set up all the time because I'm always taking photographs of silhouette projects because I do those every week. You can tell this is March 2018 because we're doing Easter and St. Patrick's Day. So what I was so excited about was recently I discovered this little contraption. And this comes from Archon, and it is a little, well, it's not really a tripod, is it? But it acts like a tripod. And it is the niftiest little thing. Okay, so let's from top to bottom. This is where your phone will sit. And then it's articulated. It has joints. These are all joints, and these are the adjustments. And I can't really show you because I need a hand for the iPhone. And then down at the bottom here, there is a base, which is pretty sturdy, pretty heavy. And then you can actually come up here and you can change the height. So it makes it so maneuverable and so adjustable. And down here, this is a little holder for your iPad. It takes a whole bunch of different sizes of iPads and tablets. And what you can do is put your phone in here, start a Facebook Live recording, and log into your Facebook page on your iPad, and then look at all the comments and people that are joining you, which is really helpful. Otherwise you're kind of going blind. You can't see who's joining in and what they're saying, and if you want to answer any questions, well, that's a great option. Okay, now it came in this little box. Yes, the whole thing. And it came really fast. I was really impressed with how quickly it came. And I'm hanging off the west coast of Canada. The other thing it came with was this selfie ring. So you can actually mount this on your camera, and it gives you some extra light. And the other thing it comes with, this is for your DSLR camera. So this will screw into the base of your DSLR camera, and this will fit in right here. So now if you're going to put your big camera in there, you're probably going to need some counterweight. And at the back here on your platform, so right here, which is a really common thing. Look, this is a light stand, and this is all counterweight because you need it. And even my huge one, which is really sturdy, but it also has a place for you to attach counterweight so that it doesn't tip over. So what do you think? Isn't this the amazing little thing? It takes up so little room. I could put it on my drafting table if I want. I can leave it set up like this, and it's so fast to adjust. Here's the first recording I did with my Archon mount, and you can see the little feet from the iPad holder, but this went on Instagram, and I know the format is square on Instagram, so I knew it was not going to show. Once I finished recording, I can take a flat lay still photo, because flat lays are all the rage right now. You'll find them mostly on Instagram, and all you have to do is take your project, put it in the middle, and put the tools that you've used to make your project around the outside, maybe a flower, and there you have it. Don't you just love this tool? I was so pleased to find it. It's going to make my life so much easier and more fun to do videos. If you should happen to be on the Archon.com website and some things just happen to fall into your shopping cart and you get to the checkout, try putting Quiet Fire in the coupon code box and you will see a 20% discount show up on your total. It's amazing. 20%, that's huge. I'll put a link down below in the description, and you can click on that and you'll go to this particular Archon mount. It's called the Remarkable Creators Video Phone Stand Bundle, and it's not just for crafters. Foodies use it, musicians use it. It has all kinds of uses, and it's so compact, so adjustable. It's a great little tool. Have I said that enough times? Anyways, thanks for joining me. See you next time.